Wonderful.
Nice one. This is, of course, I grabbed a piece of plastic there that's extremely weak. So you just want to make sure that the two colors are mixed. You don't want to see marbleized colors. You want to see one solid color, whether it's more gray or something like that. 1080p. Thank you, sir.
Until the last drop.
Yeah, we'll just try and use it all here. I'll clean it up once we get it on. I think that's good. You can see it's still pretty wet. Let's do it. You want to back up a hair, Eric? Here we go. There it is. We've got a good bond going all the way around. Would you pass me, well, 2 more screws, and let's get this part in.
Actually, these two, right?
Yeah.
Here you go.
So bring it closed so we don't have as much pressure on the door, or at least partially closed. Thank you, sir. A little more till we almost hit there. All right, nice. I'll try not to do that again. It'll be the heads of these screws that I'm concerned with. can you let the door close a little more? It's still not there. There we go. Screw. There is the one that's toughest. So I actually can't get to this one right now unless we try to close the door. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, try and close the door. Keep on coming, keep on coming. I mean, the impact is grabbing there.
Is that one?
Okay, let's take a little cloth and just clean up the JB Weld. We'll get the door all the way open. Oh, we got it just in time. It's already like going for hardening. Let's use the chisel. You got that little chisel?
What chisel?
It's already like kind of gummy, so now it like turns into a caulk.
Yeah.
For a minute. It won't stay like that for long. It does. It's eventually just gonna get hard like a rock.
That's what she said.
In our dreams.
No, every day.
Well, she's an old building, but that ought to work. The door might pull through. The hinges are still pretty good, so the hinges are good, the door's intact. This might work out.
Alright.
Yep, all right, I'm good with that. Boom. Thank you.